There are widely held beliefs that the moon is beautiful. The belief looks to be shattered by recent exploration. Did the scientific community overlook some notions? However, the defined ancient moon now desired to contest with the mighty sun for its undermined powerful energy. Today we intend to elevate the tale of an eternal moon whose existence in the universe has been overlooked by the scientific community. Although science believes in the existence of many suns, according to ancient philosophy, there are an equal number of moons as well. The reason for its overlooked presence could be due to its non-existence in the gallery of the Sunday. It means it is not part of the sun's family. More clarification would be added in a later video. Its visualization from the Earth is difficult. Interestingly, the moon which we look at from the Earth routinely is not the same as the one under discussion here. It's mainly because it has no power to radiate its own rays. The ancient moon engaged in producing self-rays, while the present moon emits rays by reflection. The ancient moon has been in existence since eternity. While the birth of the visible moon is not clearly known, but our belief is that it is as old as the Earth. No doubt it could be part of ancient Earth. Another reveals it was a wandering body, and when it came nearby, it was captured by Earth's gravity. In general, these are based on some inferences. Indian statement is based on perfect perception by universal observer, a true viewer, and its description will be in another video. History has laid down the defining characters of the moon. As a result, there are multiple tales that have become a part of routine stories for children. Wishers of science are no less than others, providing wind for spreading fanatic stories. Nevertheless, science, of course, has done commendable work during the past 50 years through many successful journeys to the moon. Their observations have shattered the delusion of people's dreams. The image of the visible moon observed by NASA taken from the Earth is illustrated as an icon picture. Because the crest of its land and materials are very similar to Earth, this infers that the moon and the Earth are formed from the same species. New humorous yet interesting tales will continue to float around till the truth is depicted. It seems that the ancient moon felt annoyed about its downgraded character in comparison to the sun's widespread tales of providing help to all kinds of jiva. The moon says it possesses more energy than the sun, so let us examine what are the grounds unknown to the scientific community on which it wanted to contest the Sunday. These were stated by the universal observers, and so, in every respect, are true. The moon conveyed about its quantum theory for self-esteem. Physically, it looks like the sun. Its shape is semi-sphere with a flat circular plateau at the top of a diameter of nearly 66,000 kilometers, bigger than the Sunday. In the center of its plateau lies an eternal gorgeous temple which has a Tirthankara's stature. The living conditions are exceptionally pleasant, and a good number of celestial beings within an organized system reside. Interestingly, its semicircular surface functions like a reflector for emitting light, and coolness is generated due to the bombardment of atomic chain reactions occurring on its surface that is built up for projection in an icon image. Unfortunately, The light coupled with coolness is not received directly on our Earth but possibility at elsewhere. This process has been enforced for an eternity and is not a creation of Superman or agency. It is self-made and will continue to work for an endless time. A new theme of work is offered to science for their endeavor. The following can be inferred from the theory of the moon. 1. The ancient moon is not a sphere but a semisphere, while the present one is like a big ball moving around the earth as if it is a planet satellite. 2. A good number of astrological celestial beings reside on a circular flat surface that has a temple in its center. 3. The diameter of the circular plateau of the moon is nearly 66,000 kilometers, which surpasses the visible moon. The temperature conditions at the living place are very pleasant with all types of beauty and facilities available. 4. The ancient moon is bigger than the Sunday. 5. The ancient moon is characterized by emitting 12,000 mixed cold rays from its curved surface by atomic chain reactions caused due to Udyot Karman's action. The visible moon does not produce its own rays but reflects the rays of the Sunday. 6. The color of emitted rays is white with a slight shadow of yellow tinge. 7. The old moon has existed since time immemorial. It can be seen that there are no similarities between the two moons. Ancient moon is vertically above the sun, at a right angle to it, so difficulty may arise in tracing it from the earth. But its higher speed may result in it coming close to the Sunday. There is every possibility of its visualization by some means from the earth, and so, astronomers observed it a few months ago. The whole system seems to be complex from the result of various movements involved in present times. This may cause the astrological system to fail in predicting accurately. However, the contention stated by the moon seems to be right, and it is a bit more energetic than the Sunday. This truth would provide new inroads for developing and opening the future tools for the phenomenon and resolving complex occurrences.